Hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? Welcome back to Esther Chris TV. Please do consider to subscribe, share the video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Today's video is a very special one because Hubby is in the kitchen. Let's get started. Okra, crayfish, bitter leaf, Maggi, palm oil, salt, stockfish, meat, fish, pot on the fire, then he's putting in 1 cup of water. This is his method of cooking okra soup. Let's see how it goes. He's adding meat. Then if you notice, the water has changed color because he poured in stockfish water. Then salt. Close and allow to cook. Now he wants to put in Maggi. Then this is the okra version. Sometimes we use knife, sometimes we do it this way. This is the final outcome. He's adding red oil now. Pepper. He forgot to bring out pepper when he was showing his ingredients. Then this is the stockfish. He is doing everything. My own is to video and tell you what he's doing. Now he wants to add bitter leaf. Okra has not entered yet. He's adding bitter leaf. This is his own method of cooking okra soup. Let's see how it will turn out. If you notice, he wants to add okra now, but the soup itself looks as if there is ogbono or something. No, is the blender or whatever. That's what is it called, blender that we use for the okra. So he just wash out the okra on it and pour into the water. That is what actually happened. He did not add any he's adding blended crayfish. He did not use any thickener. He did not use any ogbono. It's just pure okra soup. My hubby can cook. Whenever he's at home, he does most of the cooking. He's a good cook. I just want you to see that no matter how he started it, it will turn out well. Now he wants to add fish. Fish always comes last, because if you add fish early, everything will scatter in the soup. That's it. Thank you for watching. God bless you and see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.